free domain with free website. Let's learn together. Are you want to make website for your business advertising? But you are not sure to buy the domain? So you are on right place. This video is on free domain and free website making AI. Welcome to TechTrekker. We are always finding the new and free AI tools and introduce you to make your work easier. If you are new on our channel, subscribe for more updates. This AI tool is a framer.ai. Open your browser and type framer.ai. Click the showing link. Type here your content, what you want to create your website. Click on Start with AI. Here, this website you can use in laptop, tablet and also use in phone. You can customize everything in this website. Colors, style, font and everything what you want to do. You can easily publish with free domain. Use of this wonderful AI tool, you can make your own advertisement website easily without investing 0% money. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe for more updates.